Today, I'm taking on 8 home repair jobs that could help me earn €500 in just one day. Let's see if I've got what it takes. When it comes to making a good income, having the right skills can make all the difference. In today's market, having skills that are in high demand can be a game changer. And one area that's always in high demand is home repair. There are so many homeowners out there who are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can fix their leaky faucets, patch up their drywall, or install new light fixtures. The key is knowing which skills to focus on and how to market them to potential clients. We've all been there, searching online for high-paying home repair jobs, only to come up empty-handed. We've heard it all before that. You need to have years of experience. You need to have specialized training, or you need to have a fancy certification. But the truth is, most of these jobs require far less than that. What they do require is a willingness to learn, a bit of practice, and the right mindset. The problem is, most people don't know where to start or how to find these high-paying jobs. Another common misconception is that these jobs are only available to contractors or handymen with years of experience. But that's just not true. With the right skills and a bit of hustle, anyone can start landing these high-paying jobs. Of course, it's not going to be easy, there will be challenges along the way. But with the right mindset and a bit of determination, anyone can start earning €500 a day or more doing home repair jobs. One of the biggest myths out there is that these jobs are only available in big cities or that you need to have a ton of equipment or supplies to get started. But the truth is, many of these jobs can be done with minimal equipment and supplies, and they can be found in cities and towns of all sizes. If you're handy and looking to make some extra cash doing home repair or improvement jobs, you're in luck. There are plenty of opportunities to use your skills and experience to tackle various tasks, from cleaning gutters to painting rooms or even entire houses. With many of these jobs, you could easily earn around €500 a day, if not more. However, your earnings will depend on factors such as your expertise, the type and scale of the project, and the kinds of clients you work with. You might also consider charging by the hour or the project, depending on what works best for you. Some jobs may pay more when billed per project, while others could be more lucrative on an hourly basis. Ready to get started? In this video I am introducing 6 ways to make at least €500 a day doing home repair jobs. Clean out gutters. The average hourly pay for this job is €23 or more. Gutter cleaning requires a fair amount of physical labor, but that's true for most home repair jobs. While specialized education isn't usually necessary, some experience can be helpful. You'll need tools like specialty rakes, cleaning wands, and possibly a ladder to get the job done. While the average hourly pay for gutter cleaning is around €23, some professionals earn up to €36 an hour. You can increase your earnings by pricing your services based on the size of the home and covering any overhead costs. For instance, if you charge €215 for a 400 to 500 square meter home, and it takes you 2 to 3 hours, you could clean 2 houses a day to easily meet your €500 goal. In areas with higher-end clients or larger homes, you might be able to charge even more. Painting homes. The average hourly pay is €22, a job that's always in demand, especially in the spring and summer months. With a bit of practice and the right equipment, you can start painting walls, ceilings, and trim for homeowners in your area. Painting is another great way to earn money, especially if you're experienced, efficient, and skilled. While there's some overhead involved, such as buying equipment and possibly purchasing paint, you can factor these costs into your rates. Painting rates vary widely. If you charge by the hour, you could earn around €22 an hour, but you might consider charging per square meter, potentially earning €15 to €20 per square meter for higher profits. Many painters prefer to charge on a per project basis. For example, charging between €300 and €600 per room could allow you to paint 2 rooms a day and easily hit your €500 target. The key is to offer quality work quickly to maximize your earnings. Install tile. The average hourly pay is €24. If you have experience installing tiles, either indoors or outdoors, you could potentially earn up to €500 a day or more. However, you will need to have the right tools, such as tile cutters and wet saws, which can require an initial investment. You can increase your earnings by choosing the type of installation projects carefully. For instance, you might charge between €2,000 and €6,300 for installing ceramic tiles. Depending on the homeowner, you might need to purchase the tiles yourself, so keep that in mind when pricing your services. Minor plumbing repairs. The average hourly pay is €30. With the right training and a bit of practice, you can start fixing leaky faucets, unclogging drains, and installing new pipes for homeowners in your area. The average hourly pay for a plumbing technician is around €30, and the more complex the repair, the more you can charge. Small plumbing repairs, such as fixing leaky faucets or unclogging drains, are high-paying and in demand. Many of these jobs pay anywhere from €150 to €300 each. With a bit of skill, you could handle 2 or 3 of these jobs daily, earning €500 or more. While you don't generally need certification for minor repairs, more complex jobs may require proof of your qualifications. Next we have repair or build decks. The average hourly pay is €23. A job that's always in high demand, especially after a big storm or natural disaster. With a bit of practice and patience, you can start patching up holes and scratches on walls and ceilings, and earning a nice income in the process. Deck repairs can be quite the endeavor, especially if you're working on a large project requiring extensive repairs. On an hourly basis, you can expect to earn around €23 an hour. However, you might earn more by charging per project. Homeowners typically spend between €700 and €1,300 on deck repairs. If the project requires more materials or labor, you could charge significantly more for your time and expertise. As with other repair jobs, expect some overhead costs, such as materials, nails, and wood stain. Carpentry tasks. The average hourly pay is €40. Carpentry tasks, such as installing or repairing doors, shelves, or cabinets, can be highly profitable. These jobs often pay between €200 and €500 each, meaning you can comfortably reach your €500 goal by completing just 2 of these jobs in a day. Carpentry skills are always in demand, making this a reliable way to earn. The more experienced you are, the more you can charge, and you can also set your rates based on the size of the project. For example, you can charge €40 to €100 an hour to replace cabinets or €50 to €500 per linear foot. Be sure to account for materials and any other overhead costs that might affect your bottom line. Carpentry skills are always in demand, making this a reliable way to earn. Electrical work L. From installing new light fixtures to rewiring entire homes, this job requires a bit of training and certification, but the payoff can be huge. This job requires a bit of creativity and attention to detail, but it can be incredibly lucrative. And finally, we have heating and air conditioning repair, a job that requires a bit of training and certification, but can be incredibly lucrative, especially during the hot summer months. Of all these jobs, I want to highlight heating and air conditioning repair as a standout. Not only is it in high demand, but it's also incredibly lucrative, with many heating and air conditioning technicians earning €500 a day or more. But it's not just about the money, it's also a job that requires a bit of technical expertise and problem-solving skills, which can be really rewarding. I've spoken to many heating and air conditioning technicians who've told me that they love the sense of satisfaction they get from fixing a tricky air conditioning unit or heating system. And with the right training and certification, you can start earning a great income doing this work. As we've seen, these 8 home repair jobs all have the potential to earn €500 a day or more. Not only do they require minimal equipment and supplies, but they're also in high demand, and can be done with the right training and practice. Whether you're a seasoned handyman or just starting out, these jobs can be a game changer for your income. So which of these jobs interests you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and videos on how to maximize your earnings with home repair gigs.